Still L.
Oh, baby, girl, you drive me crazy. We've been sexing on the daily. Now your man been texting lately. So shady, but I love it when you call me baby.
Do you remember me? Cause I remember you. Do you remember me? Cause I remember you.
Yeah, pardon me for being candid, but you looking fly. I know you heard it before, but I ain't other guys. I'm just a lonely lion fighting for my team and pride. Caught up in the moment, got me drifting on your wave. He's a nice story, but I can turn the page. Let me show you glory, shorty, I'm the latest trend. Loud pack, got you open, now let me break you in. I'm shitting in this game like a nigga breaking wind. Your body calling for me while he hit the celly up. I hit it from the back, then flip your ass belly up. You say he boring while I beat it till you had enough. If you take this ride with me, maybe you should fasten up. I'll take the wheel while you blowing from the passenger. Waves collide, tsunami, nothing crashing us. Days pass by with your face on my mind, clutching to your waist while I read between your every line. Oh, baby, girl, you drive me crazy. We've been sexing on the daily. Now your man been texting lately. So shady, but I love it when you call me baby.
Do you remember me? Cause I remember you. Do you remember me? Cause I remember you.
Used to sneak out to see me when you had time. Look me in my eyes, tell me it was all mine. Had me leaning back, but my chair was no recline. And all the while he was wishing he could read your mind. But if he could see those countless memories of times past when we were living like it was our last. Lewd actions ruled by satisfaction, furthermore fueled by the physical attraction. But that was back then, he's still wondering if you were really too tired to roll around with him. Or was it someone else taking all your energy away when you came home claiming that you had a long day? Picking fights, thinking that you wanna run away. Back to my crib, but you know you can't stay. No contracts, gotta take me as I am. Even though I make you happy, I will never be your man. You saying that ain't nice, but this ain't a nice world. You saying I'm not right, but you're not the right girl. We both know the end is gonna come to be. Let's enjoy the luxury of sex and good company.
Oh, baby, girl, you drive me crazy. We've been sexing on the daily. Now your man been texting lately. So shady, but I love it when you call me baby.